question mark divided by 26 into 17 is equal to 7225, right? Is equal to 7225. Now see here, sir, can I say that this divided by 26 is like this? If I cross multiply, it will go to the right hand side, right? It will go to the right hand side. Here it will finish it off. Here it will cancel. That means that 26 I will write here. 26 I will write it as 13 into 2, right? I will write it as 13 into 2. Now see here, can I say that? Can I say like this? I know that I definitely do not like to have this number as 5 as my unit digit. 5 should be converted to 0 as my unit digit, which I already taught you in multiple problems. So 5 to become 0, I should have 2. I should definitely have 2, and the 2 is already present here. Multiply it, sir. 7,000 into 2 is 14,000. Sorry, 7,000 into 2 is 14,000. And then what is the mistake I have done? No, there is no mistake. Anyway, I want 2, right? Let me group another 2 here if I want to, and if I multiply 2 here also, then question mark into 17 into 2 on the left hand side. 7,000 into 2 is 14,000. 14,000 into 2 is again 28,000. 28,000. 225 into 2 is 450. 450 into 2 is 900. So it is 28,900. Easily you will get it. Into 13 I will write it as it is. But I am damn sure that my students know what is 17 square. 17 square is 289. So 17 into 17 is 289, followed by 2 more extra zeros. So your question mark will become 17 into 13. 17 into 13. I taught you another method yesterday, sir. You remember? 17 into 13. Leftmost digits should be same. Sum of the remaining digits should be of the form 10 power k. 7 plus 3 is 10 itself. I taught you all these things. That is the reason I am able to solve it so beautifully. 7 into 3 is 21. Right, it is 21. If you have 1 here, add the 1 for it, it becomes 2. So it becomes 1 into 2 is 2. It is 221. I believe you are able to understand all these things with 2 extra zeros divided by this 2. Finally, you will end up with the answer. 22,000 divided by 2 is 11,000. 100 by 2 is 50. 11,050 should be the answer. Please do not ignore whatever I taught you in my yesterday's class. That will help you tremendously well in so many of the questions and in calculating it to a very, very faster and greater extent. Do not ignore yesterday's class, sir. Yesterday's class is something which is very, very, very important for many more topics. Not only simplification, many more topics like DI and maybe for many other topics also. Samir Roy, once again you are asking me to explain. It's a very easy, sir, once you understand the concept. Question mark divided by 26. That divided by 26, I will write it in the denominator as 2 into 13 into 17 is equal to 7225, Samir, right? Is equal to 7225. Can I say that this 2 into 13 will come here, Samir? It will come here 2 into 13. This will cancel out, right? This will cancel out. Now, can I say like this? Whenever it is ending with 5, I want to make the unit digit 0. For that to happen, I should have the pair as 2 on the right hand side. Or I should have the pair as 2, right? Because 5 into 2 will give me 0 as the unit digit. And any number multiplied by 0 in the unit digit is putting extra zeros. Already 2 is there. I can use it this only. But I am just making another 2 into picture, right? You can ignore that another 2 also if you want to. Question mark into 2 into 17 is the left hand side. 7225 into 2. 7,000 into 2 is, it is 14,000. 225 into 2 is, it is 450. 14,450 into 2 again, it is 28,900 into 13. Now, I know that 17 square is 289. 17 into 17 is 289 with 2 more extra zeros. 17 into 13. Yesterday we learned this, sir. Please do not ask me to repeat again and again if you are not a part of yesterday's class. It is up to you whether to attend all the classes or not. Sum should be 10. Sum should be 10. And this leftmost digit should be same. If these two are satisfied, 7 into 3 is 21. You have 1 here, add 1 for it, it becomes 2. This 1 into the next number 2, what is 1 into 2? 2. Answer is 221 for this product. 17 into 13 is 221 followed by 2 zeros divided by 2. Answer is 11050. Now Apple, why did I multiply again by 2? That also I will explain you, sir. Why did I multiply again by 2 is, now think logically, I want always 5 to be converted as 0. This is question mark into 17 is equal to 7225 into 26, right, into 26. That 26 I wrote it as 2 into 13. Now if I don't multiply by 2 again, for example, 7000 into 2 is 14,000, 225 into 2 is 500, right, sorry, it is 450, right, it is 450, 14,450 I got. I might get unit digit 0 here, but the next digit is 5. I will try to convert that also as 0. I hope it is clear. I want this 5 also to be 0, so that I will have 2 zeros, easier to multiply. So that is the reason again I multiplied both sides by 2. It is completely up to individual, sir. There is no need for that you should multiply. One of the reason why I did is I will get 289, which is nothing but 17 times of 17. That is the reason I did it. It depends on individual. Exactly. Kulbhushan said the exact statement what I wrote right now. I want more number of zeros to end with, so that my simplification will be very easy and it looks so beautifully, and the numbers look so beautifully. Next, there might be a question on mixed fractions also. Sometimes 3 2 by 5 plus 1 2 by 9 is equal to 4 4 by 5 minus question mark. Kindly do not express mixed fraction into improper fraction and waste your time. Left hand side is 3 plus 1 4. Cancel this left hand side 4 with right hand side 4. Simple, sir. You are left with 2 by 5 plus 2 by 9. If I simplify, or okay, 2 by 5 plus 2 by 9 is LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. So here I got it as 45, and then it is 10 plus 18, it is 28. Shift this minus 4 by 5 to the right hand side, it is minus question mark. Again LCM is 45, it is 9 into 5, 9 into 4 is 36. You got it as minus 8 by 45, question mark is plus 8 by 45. Don't convert any mixed fraction to improper fraction is the learning from this question. Don't convert any mixed fraction to improper fraction unless it is really required for you to convert it. Every question some or the other learning. We will keep learning some or the other things so that we will simplify it very fast. Another question. Original question. 27% of 450 minus question mark percentage of 375 is equal to 76.5, right, 76.5. Classic question which you need to understand how beautifully you can solve. First thing is, I don't like to end with 5. Although it is ending with 0, let me try to make 2 zeros at the end. Second thing is, this is ending with 5. Third thing is, this also is ending with 5. Can I say that I will double it? If I multiply by 2 everywhere, 27% of 900 it becomes question mark percentage of double of 375 is 750, double of 76.5 is 153, right, it is 153. Now can I again say that 27% means by 100, after 2 places keep a decimal point, it is 27 into 9, 27 into 10 is 270, and 27 into 1 I should subtract, minus 27. Shift this minus 153 to the other side, right hand side, this entire thing shifted to the left hand side, right hand side. Question mark percentage of 750. I believe it is clear, sir. Now again a beautiful approach again. Can I say that minus 27 minus 153 is minus 180. 270 minus 180 is 90. 90 is equal to question mark percentage of 750, or in other words 0 will cancel. 9 is equal to question mark percentage of 75. I can also write A percentage of B as B percentage of A. 75 percentage of question mark is 9. I believe it is clear. Morning also we discussed. Now see here, what we got here is 75 percentage is nothing but equal to 9. But I require 100 percentage. I require 100 percentage. That is nothing but my answer. If 75 percentage is 9, 25 percentage will be how much? 1/3 of 9. It is 3. 75 plus 25 is 100. 9 plus 3 is 12. Beautiful way of solving again. I hope the idea is very, very clear for you people. This is how I want my students to be thinking always. This is exactly how I want you to think. 9 percentage. What is that which is there, sir? 9 is equal to question mark percentage of 75. A percentage of B can be written as B percentage of A. Morning also we discussed this. So 9 is giving me 75 percentage, but I totally want 100 percentage. That is my answer. 75% is 9 means 25 percentage is 1/3 of 9, 3. Add these two on right hand side, add these two on left hand side. Simple. Okay, now see here, sir. Sanmati is asking me this question. Let us think logically. I will write that first statement once again, Sanmati. The question is 27 percentage of 450 minus question mark percentage of 375 is equal to 76.5. What Sanmati is asking is, sir, you are multiplying this by 2. You wrote only 450, double it as 900. Why didn't you double 27 as 54? Now Sanmati, beautiful question you asked, but the answer is very simple. Now see here, if I write it as 2 into 27 into 450, percentage ignore it for now. 2 into 27 into 450 means this 2 I can multiply with this, or I can multiply with this. That means 2 into 27 I can club and write it as 54 into 450, or it is also equivalent as 2 I will combine with 450. I will write it as 27 into 900. I used this concept, Sanmati, because I want more number of zeros to be present at the end. Sanmati, I believe that it is clear. It is something like I have 3 into 4 into 5. This 3 I will not multiply with both of them. What you said is 3 into 4 plus 5. Now your answer is right, Sanmati. 3 I will multiply with 4, 3 I will also multiply with 5. But it is not in the case of multiplication. This question is your original IBPS 2013 question. Original question which came in IBPS 2013. Question is 43 square plus 841 is equal to question mark square plus 1465. If you observe carefully, most of these questions what we are not solving right now are without your answer options. I am teaching you a shortcut method without the answer options, right? Hold on for some time, Lovepreet Singh. I have to discuss many varieties. For you, mixed fraction is important. For some other person, square or square root is important. Like that, I need to take care of each and every student. Hold on for some time, right? Listen carefully, sir. Now, can I say that 43 square, I taught you how to find 43 square in my yesterday's class. Sorry, sir, I will not be teaching you again. 43 square is 1849, right? 43 square is 1849. This is equal to question mark square. This 1465, I will write it as 1400. Why? I want this number to be beautiful number. Another 65, I will write it again. This 841, if it comes to the right hand side, I will write it as 841. Why? Because I want it to be a beautiful number. And another 41, write it again here. I believe that you know how to simplify this very, very easily as of now. Can I now say that this 1849 is equal to question mark square 1400 minus 800 is 600. 65 minus 41 is 24. It is minus 624, right? It is minus 624. 1849, if I add 1814, sorry, it is plus 624, sir, not minus, plus 624. If I subtract 1800 minus 600, same logic, sir, listen carefully, same thing. 18 minus 6 is 12. 49 minus 24 is 25. It is 1225 is equal to question mark square. And you know that 1225 is nothing but 35 square, which I also discussed yesterday's class. So in place of question mark I have 35. Answer is 35. Sir, how 1225 square is 35? 1225 is 35 square. I thought you yesterday, sir, 35 square. 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. You have a number called as 3. Multiply this 3 with the next number 4. What is 3 into 4? 12. It is 1225. Or I also taught you the reverse approach also in yesterday's class. 1225 square root you will get easily as 35. Yesterday's class you ignore. It is equivalent to ignoring simplification completely. And I mean my statement. I mean it whatever I am saying you, sir. You ignore yesterday's class, you will definitely ignore the entire concept on simplification. This is your original question which came in IBPS 2013. We already discussed initially some questions on indices. I do not want to miss out this another question on indices which I forgot to discuss at that time, because this is again an IBPS 2013 question. What is the question? 216 to the power of 4 divided by 36 to the power of 4 into 6 to the power of 5 into 6 to the power of 5 is equal to 6 to the power of question mark is equal to 6 to the power of question mark. Now listen carefully, sir. Now listen carefully. 216 is 6. It is 6 cube. 6 cube whole power 4. It is 6 power 12 divided by 6 square whole power 4. It is 6 power 8 into 6 power 5 is equal to 6 power question mark. Very easy question, right, sir? Yes, it is. 12 minus 4 is 8 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Answer for this question is 9. Ipsit Sahu. Yesterday we discussed how to find 43 square. I am not interested in teaching again, sir. Probably one time I will teach you. I taught you multiple methods. In fact, I don't know whether you attended the class or not. 43 square for all the new students. Apply a plus b whole square. A square is 16 4 square. 2ab, 2 into 4 into 3. It is nothing but 12 into 2, 24. And b square is 9. Take down the unit digit 9. Take down the unit digit 4. 2 carried. 16 plus 2 is 18. I taught you another method to find 43 square in a much more easier format. This is some other method. You decide which method you want to use it.